Hello. Today we are going to understand and see the configuration of the our IoT device, that is the X7400D. It is the Sense manufactured by SenseLive. Let's see, it's having the plastic body casing with the DIN mounting facility. In the certificate, you will see the it is quality tested in working okay. As it is the 4G device, it having the MAC address and the IMEI number with their by default IP address and the passwords of specific device if needed, and a warranty of 2 year mentions here, as well as company will provide the same warranty. On the front end, we are going to see the one of the notch to insert SIM cards for 4G SIM cards. You can use the 2G SIM card also. It is the fully compatible 4G follow-up 2G device. And here is the LED indicators upside, RxD, TXD, 4G TCP link, and its work accordingly, its functionality we will see later on. In the bottom side, you are able to see here the power supply ports and the ports for the RS485 connectivity. And the top of the site, there is the male types of the SMA connector for the antenna connectivity. These types of antenna you will receive with this device, and let's connect like this. Okay. And yeah, so this is all about its device hardware parts, and you can see the device is very compatible to mount any DIN. Okay, so let's see the configuration of this device. As I have already inserted the one SIM card here, so you just put the SIM cards in the device at this notch. This is the way to put the SIM card. This is the QR code you can see here. From this QR code, you can get the guidance to configuration of this device, or you can go to the official SenseLive website to understand more about this device. Let's see the configuration page. First question. Okay, so this is all about the device. You can see at the end, I am connecting the connectors, which is just plug the connector. The connector I have plugged, this is the 24 volt of the power supply. You can connect 9 to 24 any supply, as well as the here the configurations we are going to do with the RS485 of this device. So I have connected this RS485 to USB converter to this RS485 port and just plug it in my PC. So this is all about hardware configuration. Let's move toward the software configuration for the specific device. For the software configuration, I am assuming you know the register address and what data you need. You want to read. You having all the details, including their specific baud rate and everything. As I having the select register, so let's go to the software. So the software called the VRCOM NEN. So this software you can download from the SenseLive official website, as well as from the description from this video description of this video. Just double click on this software. So I already opened the software, so I am getting the errors. So from this dot, you can see the background running VRCOM software is there. So you can see this kind of screen will appear once you get the software opened. And the here is one of the, you can see the device and many other options. So just do the click on the device, you will see the blank screen. Yeah, one, if you are using SenseLive other TCP IP based device, so you can do just auto search and device will appear here. As we have connected the configuring the device via the RS485, so we need to select on the search serial. As I having the COM port for the specific connected port is 9, I have selected this, and the configurations of the specific device is by default, and just do the search. Once your device gets successfully connected, you can able to see this screen. So currently we are going to configure this device with the Mqtt. So we are going to see that way only. So for this purpose, we need to configure the click here. Okay, to firmware update and configuration mode. you are able to see the many much detail here. uh, Here you can see the direct download mode options. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to do the select this prepare one folder at your home desktop screen, or you can prepare as per your choice locations. I have created one folder here. So yeah, this is my previous file. So just create the empty folder. I have created one. So after creating this empty folder, just do select your folder from the, as I am having the folder on the desktops, I have selected from it the desktops. Okay, so yeah, so since the desktop I have selected this folder. After that, we need to configure broker first, or the you can also configure the energy whatever your hardware device or the energy meter first with your IoT gateway. So just do the configurations here. Here you can see the MQTT server IP. I have taken here the my broker IP. You can use any open broker or as per your choice. Another is the port. As I am using the open port, you can use the 888 MQTT port also for the secure communication. And the certificate of this specific communication you can put here. There is the CA certificates and other your client and private keys. When you are preparing this configuration, you are able to see here the username and passwords. As I having my for this my testing broker password specific password. Okay, so once you get your password, here you can see many other options. If you want to subscribe topics, so here is the 3 types of topic you can subscribe to this device and execute your subscription task from broker. So I currently want to publish the data to my brokers. I'm just putting there the topic, that is publish slash what X7400D data. You can keep it as per your requirement. The device ID, it is the at the end, it means this device ID will added at the end of the your topics, and this is also same for okay. So just do the save. As successfully save is done. Yeah, after saving, you can able to see here the download options. Okay, you need to just click on the downloads. So your configuration of the MQTT is downloaded successfully to the device. Now you need to accordingly LED also can blink whenever you are doing whatever task execution and configurations. So yeah, next you need to select the JSON configurations options to configure the your hardware device. Okay, as after selecting these options, you can able to see here complete screen. From here you can select the time zone. As I'm in India, so my time zone in 5.5 means 5:30, and here you can select the transmission time to the your broker from the 100 millisecond to the 8.8 hour. It is the maximum limits to send the data. Okay, duration or the delay limits. So that is the kind of delay options. From here you can select the mode. As we are using the MQTT, we are going to select the MQTT only, and just go to the upload JSON option. Okay, here many option is there. We are for currently we are just step by step, just click on the JSON option. After this, you can see here the following is the first one dot, right? So this is the number of parameters you can see. Once this is my first parameter, I'm going to add this device from the what parameter I want to read from the my energy meter or the any water device or any hardware RS485 device. So this is the keywords, corresponding keyword you want to, you can able to see here. The corresponding keyword, it may be anything like current, voltage, flow rate, or etc. Currently I'm going to read that there is 3 parameter, that is the kWh. I'm putting their kWh value, and is the my communication way of my hardware to my gateway is the Modbus RTU. So I have selected this one. Function code is 4 types of function code is there. As you know, the holding register contain the 3, and input register having the 4 function code. I'm selecting 4, and my register address is 1. So yeah, for the KWH, I am going to read the one registered first registered address, and here you can see the byte. So for the data lane, I need to select the 4 as I having the 32-bit float. So 4 byte means the 32-bit, right? So that is the 4 byte I have selected here, and big Indian is my patterns. So all these detail you can, to understand what is the my exact details, you can also check all the configuration from the Modscan software or any other software where you want to read. You can easily read the energy meter and the types of the float. Okay, so my data will be appear on the floats. So yeah, so this all the setting has been successfully done here, and here is the decimal point options. If you want to, like, power factor required more accurate information, you can select the 2 or 3 decimals. I'm just selecting the 2 decimal now, and just do the enter and next. Same kind of things you can do with the, now I'm kVA, doing for the kVA. Address is 5, and the registered address, sorry, slave address is 1, and the registered address is 5. My data length is same 4. Types is float, decimal point 2, and yeah, remaining as it is. I'm just doing next. As here you can see the my, this is my second parameter. Okay, so just do the for next, and here you can see the mini option is there, right? So I'm selecting the fixed string options. Okay, so fixed string, what is fixed string? It is a fixed value you want. If you want to from this device, with every message you can, like, device ID I want X7400D and 001 number of device. Okay, so likewise you can put whatever ID you want. So this is the, what, this is not a, here you can UID. What is the name of this? My fixed ID is UID. Okay, and what is the value? Like X7400D. Okay, dash 011. Okay, or anything. Likewise, you just need to save and next. Accordingly, you can map. If you want to read the Modbus RTO, you will just do this and set up as per the requirement. You want to read 64-bit float. Accordingly, you can read the multiple floats and all the other Boolean data types from this from your device to this gateway and to send to your MQTT broker. So after overall setting everything, keep save the options. Okay, and here you can see the JSON save JSON options. Click on the save JSON option, and at the end of here you can you are able to see the parameter whatever you have configured, and for only UID you can see the value, that is the whatever fixed value we have saved. Okay, so to modify this value, I haven't given any name to this value, but it is appear here. I want to delete or modify this, so I'm going to do here. Okay, so yeah, this is my first, second, third, fourth. Yeah, you can here see we haven't added any parameter, so we can delete from here. Just do the delete, do the yes, and keep save JSON. Now you can see this JSON will appear to you, and same JSON you can get at your broker. Okay, so just do save JSON and just close this window. After saving everything, you just need to download. So this time you are downloading. Yeah, here the burn fail, what it means, the meaning of this burn fail is like we are taking lot of time to configure the devices, the or the it it's long time it we open, so we need to close this. But don't worry, whatever details we have saved, it will be securely saved. We need to search again this device, do the firmware update, go to the JSON configurations. Here you can see, just do once again save JSON. You are able to see here all our parameters saved securely. Just do close and download this all the configuration to your, the bar will appear. Okay, and your device is successfully set. So you can see these screens after downloading your all the Modbus configurations, and just after downloading Modbus, just close the window, and you are now on the main screen of this device page. So here you can see the AT command mode. You need to select the AT command mode for the first time when you are configuring the energy meter. Then here all the details will appear, just like baud rate, dashboards and ports and mode of the communication. So we just need to log in. Here you can see the and we need to remember we haven't set the baud rate of our energy meter it. Okay, so here as per your requirement you can set the baud rate. As I having the 9600 baud rate, I am selecting the 9600 baud rate. Okay, but by default baud rate is of this device is 115200. Okay, so let's set the as a default baud rate. Okay, so here you can see the default border is 115200. If I want to set the 9600, just click on here. Set main parameter you need to select. A message will appear and you need to select the get parameter to confirm your baud rate is updated, right? And it may take a few seconds. And here you can see now baud rate is set to the 9600 successfully. And we need to select the save def and close this window. Okay, so everything is completely set up of this. So yeah, configuration from the software is okay and ready to transmit data to the broker. But here you can see there is the only sync LED is blinking and we haven't connected any energy meter to this device, so we need to connect this first. So as you can see, I having the meters from the select M2M just for the RS485 output purpose. This all the pins configuration of this meter here. So I'm just connecting the this to my converter. Okay, let's go on the broker, and as here you can see the same details which I have put in the device. This is my broker. Okay, let's connect with the broker, and here you can see the public topic which we have set on the device. And yeah, this is my fixed string, and as a this is a normal meter, we don't have a kVA, so kVA is 0 and kWh 365, and same kVA is available on my electric meter. So yeah, thank you for watching.